Hey Tubies, it's your girl Angelique. The last giveaway winner did not contact me, and the only way to win is to contact me through my group, through my Facebook group. That way I know for sure that you are in my group. So I'm gonna do this again, and I posted this Tuesday night, so I gave her plenty of time, and it's Friday morning. Well, it's Thursday night, okay, at 11:30. And I was gonna wait till Friday morning to do this, but I feel like I've given her plenty of time. So we're gonna go ahead and do this again. Because if you're in my group and you're active, then you know that it's you that won, and you would have contacted me by now. So we're gonna hit good YouTube comments, 15 comments, and we're gonna hit start. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up. When the winner is, I'm a member and subscribe. The winner is CW. I'm not sure even who those initials are. So whoever posted this, I will take a picture just like I did the other one and post this in the video, as well as the picture. So I'm gonna post this and post the video. So winner is CW, and I'm gonna post this, and it's gonna say new 200 members giveaway winner, so you will know who you are. So thanks for watching, and also leave a just like in the other video, contact me through the Facebook group and let me know that you've seen this video, and leave me your information and everything, so I'll know who you are, so that I know 100% sure that you are in my Facebook group, because that's the only way that you can win, is if you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and that you are in my Facebook group, because this is mainly for people that are in my Facebook group and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You have to be both, okay? So you have to be both. And also hit the notification bell on the side, so you will be notified of all my other giveaways. Leave me your information, like I said, through Facebook, so I can have your box sent off to you tomorrow or as soon as possible. And just like the other one, I will give you plenty of time to contact me. If you don't, then I will have to pick another winner. So hopefully you will contact me. So CW, I'm trying to think who you are, but okay, contact me. Thank you.